Good day guys, this is your tutor engineer. Today we'll be doing inverses of the exponential function. So I'll show you how to find the equation of the inverse function and then how to plot it on the same system. So the question here says the graph f of x is equal to 3 to the power x. Then they gave us the point P, so there is the P point. Okay, so how do you find the equation of the inverse? First of all, you need to write step number 1. The function f of x as y is equal to 3 to the power x. So once you've done so, you want to swap x and y around. So the y becomes x, the x becomes y. Then you write everything now in terms of y. So if you're going to write everything in terms of y, you actually want to take the 3 to the other side so that you remain with y alone here. So if you're going to do that, the y will drop down. That is just one of the log functions laws. That's just one of the logarithmic laws. So it's going to be log x, and then the 3 becomes the base in front of the log. So that is the inverse. So you normally represent the inverse as -1. So that's log of x base 3. So how do you draw it in front, like on the same system of the axis? The first thing you need to do is to draw the line y is equal to x. So there is that line, dotted line. We call it the axis of symmetry line. So y is equal to x. And then this axis of symmetry is actually a mirror to the original function of graph, original function of f. So everything is being swapped around. So just imagine this graph looking at itself on the mirror. So what is it going to see? The q, let's call it the q prime. So this piece here that you see, this piece is going to reflect along the axis of symmetry like that. And then this piece of the graph is going to go like that. So it's never going to touch the y-axis. So the y-axis is going to be the new asymptote. So yeah, that's it. So that's the inverse graph there. So if you want to label any point, the point P, since it's -1 and 1/3, so the very same point will swap around. It's going to be here, but now everything is being swapped around. It's going to be 1/3, then the -1 over here. So let's call it P prime. So that's it. That's how you draw the function of the inverse. So stay tuned on the next lesson, and don't forget to subscribe and to like these videos. Cheers.